Yo guys, TechnoSmart here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to look at the screen of your camera onto your smartphone. So if you are a YouTuber and if you want to record yourself and if you don't have this flippable screen on your camera, so this video is going to be helpful for you. And it should work for almost all of the Sony cameras. And this specific model right here is the Sony DSC-WX500 and it works perfectly on my camera. But before I start this, I want to request you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I want 1,000 subscribers before 20 February and 4,000 watch hours, which is 240,000 watch minutes, which is a lot. So please subscribe to my channel and watch the entire video. So here is my camera and here is my smartphone. So first of all, you have to download this app called Play Memories Mobile, and recently I've made a video on how to transfer photos and images from your camera to your smartphone. So the card of that video is right here, go ahead and check that out. So once you have downloaded this Play Memories app, you have to go on your computer and install this smart remote control app onto your camera. So here is the process of how to install it. So yeah, once you have installed it, go ahead and go into menu and then go in application and go into application list, and here you can see 3 applications. So we have to go into this right here, smart remote control, which we have installed right now. So just go into that and it's gonna show you the QR code right here. I'm gonna bring down the ISO so that it's safe. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the QR code. Now go ahead and open this Play Memories app, and here you can see scan QR code of the camera. So hit on that and this camera will be opening, and what you have to do is bring this QR code in front of this camera just like this, and boom, it is connected. Just hit OK and the screen of the camera is on my phone right here. So yeah, here you can see the camera. What the camera is looking right now is on my phone's screen. So this way you can easily record yourself. If you are a YouTuber or whatever you want to do, you can easily do. If you want to take a group picture and you don't have the remote control of the camera, you can use this method and it's gonna be very helpful for you. So from here I can easily take pictures. As you can see, I just took a picture and here is the picture right here, and also I can record videos. And disclaimer, all of these modes doesn't work. There are some modes in this camera which doesn't work on that phone. There are some modes which are light, that means it's not gonna work. So this memory recall mode is not gonna work, and this superior auto is also not gonna work, and this scene selection, sweep panorama. So yeah, these are some of the modes which are not going to work, but this movie mode is going to work. So I will show you how you can record a video using this. So just go into that mode, and here you can see right here. So I'll show you my setup real quick. Yo, look at that. Have a look at that. So that's camera into camera, and yeah, this is my setup right now. So that is pretty awesome. I am actually in love with this thing. It is really helpful sometimes. And I think yeah, that about wraps up for a quick tutorial. Hope you guys has been helped by this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and comment down below if you have any questions. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. The link is in the description down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day, guys.